Today we are taking closer look at Miro Thinker, version 1.5 with 30 billion parameters language model, designed to handle complex reasoning, text generation, and task-oriented problem solving. Positioned in the mid to high tier of large language models, Miro Thinker aims to strike a balance between performance and efficiency. It's not just about generating fluent text, but about delivering structure, accurate and context-aware responses across a variety of domains. In this review, the goal is not simply to see what the model can say, but how well it thinks. We will evaluate its reasoning ability, factual reliability, instruction following, and consistency under pressure. A model of this size should be capable of handling multi-step logic and domain-specific tasks without losing coherence or introducing critical errors. At the same time, it is important to assess where its limitations appear, whether in hallucination, shallow reasoning, or instability in longer interactions. By the end of this text, we should have a clear picture of whether MirrorThinker version 1.5 is just another language model or a genuinely useful tool for real-world applications. And of course, as always, I'm going to use LM Studio because it's the easiest way. And as you can see here, I have MirrorThinker version 1.5 with 30 billion parameters installed. So I'm going to open chat, new chat, and we are going to load this model. And first we are going to check multi-step reasoning. So the question is, a company's revenue grew by 20% in year 1, then dropped by 10% in year 2. If the initial value was 1000 USD, what is the final revenue and why isn't equal to the original amount? Alright, this one is fine. Let's try with next one. So if some bloops are resius and some resius are laziest, can we conclude that some bloops are definitely laziest? Explain the reasoning. So in here the point is that model cannot say yes for sure. And let's test it. And this is the main point. Without knowing whether those common elements overlap, we can't make the conclusion. Well, this is simply a logical test and it works perfectly. Now we are going to test hallucination. Explain the main argument of the book, The Silent Horizon by Daniel Virek, published in 2019. The point is that this book doesn't exist. So the correct answer would be that this model don't have any information about this book. Yeah, it has no information about this particular book, so this test it's okay. Now let's see how it follows instructions. Okay, let's see how this is going to work. Alright, this part is done too. Now let's see some applied reasoning. You are given a customer support scenario where a user is angry about a delayed order. Write a response that resolves the issue, maintains professionalism, and subtly encourages customer retention. Okay, with this final answer, I honestly expected something more. But it's fine, it kept professionalism. So my final opinion about this model, definitely thumbs up. So guys, thank you for watching, I hope that you learned something new and interesting, so please like, subscribe and see ya!